Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking care of this McLane reel mower. It's my new addition to my lawn care arsenal. Now, there's a couple things that you may have heard or learned in my last video where I talked about buying one of these, and that is that this guy was running a little rough. So when I got him home, I ran all the old gas out of him, and I opened a couple things up and took a little peek. First off, the spark plug is dirty, very black and oily. It did exhaust a lot of black, kind of like smoke. You can see it over here on this, over on the side there. So there's something going on there, right? Black all over the spark plug means there's a lot of oil, something going on, not quite burning clean. So then I also took off the gas cap, and I took a peek in there, and there's a little bit of rust inside the gas tank. Not terrible thing, but something we'll address. I looked at the air filter, and the air filter looks okay. It's relatively new, but still, it's a good thing to go ahead and do. Then I go down here and I check the oil. Now there's two oil spots to fill it, but looks okay on this side. But when I go and check the rear oil fill location, on the back side here, I know this is probably not on camera, but it's a little gray and milky in there, and it looks a little low. So there's a couple things we're going to do today in today's video, and that is going to be new spark plug, new air filter. We're going to mix up some SeaFoam in a gas can, fill her up with the SeaFoam gas mix, and we're going to change the oil also. We're not going to go in any specific order. Oil change will be last though, because then I'm going to clean it up with some Super Clean that I got from the wonderful people over there at Super Clean. They sent me some products, so I'm going to try to use those at the end after we're all done putting this bad boy back together, and I'll let you guys see the process along the way. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Look for me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. Let's get to work. Let's get started. And I almost forgot. I got a reel roller for this bad boy, so we're going to put that on here as well. I'm not going to go through all the steps to install the reel roller. If you want to see how to do the reel roller installation on a McLane, go check out my buddy Bermuda Brian on YouTube, Instagram. Go give him a follow and a subscribe, and he has a video installing a reel roller on his McLane. You can also look for Krappy Lawn on Instagram and YouTube as well. He also did a install video of a reel roller. So let's get it going. Something that a lot of people don't realize is that you should check the gap. And this mower, the details for it call for a .030 gap. So we're going to have to open this bad boy up a little bit. And we'll leave this off while we do everything else, you know, safe. Now we're going to do the air filter. Should be pretty easy. Another easy chore. You don't have to do a whole lot of work to maintain and keep these guys running smooth. Just every year, check your air filter, check your spark plug, do the old swap-a-roo. vent it. Got it pretty good and emptied out now. Let's go ahead and... Oh, man. I thought something bad happened. Let me wipe this up, but I got something for that. Alright, we're going to try out this Super Clean Floor Absorbent. The directions say, easy to use, spread or pour absorbent on the spill. Give it a few minutes to work, sweep it up. Looks like it's working. So I made a mess with the oil, but I got the plug back in. I got the cotter pin back in for the control there. I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the oil reservoir with some of the Pennzoil 5W30. It's rated for these guys, so I'm going to use it. But I'm going to fill it up from the front. It's easier to get to. With this model of Briggs & Stratton motor on the McLane, you want to fill it up until it overflows, basically. And it also says that it takes about, what was it, like 10 ounces or something. It definitely had more than that in there. Come around to the back and double check. Make sure it's filled all the way up. Now we'll go ahead and mix up the SeaFoam. It does all kinds of cool things for gas and diesel engines, cleans injectors, carb jets, stabilizes fuels, controls moisture and fuels. Let's see, directions. Add 1 ounce per gallon. That should be easy enough. I don't have any nice little measuring cups, so I'm going to give it a 1 ounce pour. I'm using 93 octane gas, so premium stuff. 93 octane gas. Pour a little bit of this. That's probably plenty in there as well to just help clean out the system, get it running real nice and smooth. Put this guy on here, tighten it up. Ooh, it's leaking. Real quick tip with the McLane reel guys out there. If you're wanting to take this down to as low as 1/4 of an inch, anywhere 1/4 inch to 7/8, you want to use the highest hole here, because that's going to lower your bar. You know, if you're lifting it up from the ground, then it's going to go lower. You're going to mow lower. So you want to use the higher setting of the 3 settings here for your roller setup. Okay, so we're going to put the throttle all the way down, close the choke, put the spark plug wire on. It's a good sign. So I went ahead and turned it off because I need to clean it up and use some more of the super clean. But so far, I'm very satisfied. You could tell that it started to run a lot smoother during that session. I'm going to keep on running it every couple days, every day or two, maybe every day. Just let it run for a little while and, you know, try to clean everything out with that SeaFoam and get it running nice and smooth. So let's clean it up. Use this super clean, and then if you're looking to see me put this guy to use, stay tuned because it'll be coming out in a video very soon. And make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I post that next video of me putting this McLane to use. I am impressed with the super clean products. I use the aerosol, I use the sprayer, and then I also use the floor absorbent, and it did pretty good out here on my concrete. It's not necessarily a stain remover, but it is a degreaser and cleanser, and it's biodegradable, so safe for the environment, easy to use, simple, whole shebang. If I want to lift some stains from concrete, I'd probably use something else, but this worked awesome on my new mower, and it did a good job getting up the majority of the slick out of the oil. So, and it's biodegradable. It's twice I've said that now. So go check out Super Clean. You can find them on Instagram, Twitter, at most of your major hardware stores like AutoZone, Home Depot, Lowe's. They all carry them as well. So go check them out. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in the lawn.